we can just slide this right in, and look how much cleaner that looks. That looks like a whole different sink. In today's video, I am going to show you my by far favorite kitchen gadget to get rid of your messy sink, to keep everything nice and clean, and how much more surface space you're actually gaining by having this. These are called roll-up drying racks, and there's 3 different styles and designs here. The very first one is the first one that we ever bought. Now this is the strongest one as well. I did a test. It held 25-pound dumbbell, so definitely something that I like. Also, this specific one has coated rails with silicone, so you can place very hot things on there. These are just aluminum ones. They're a little thinner, but they're not coated. But anyways, I want to show you what these look like over your sink and how much nicer they make everything. Now we also have here the place that we keep our, brushes and things, and I don't know, it just kind of gets gummy and dirty. These are baskets for your fruits or your cutlery or whatnot. We can actually wash that right in there. The water would drain, and then we can take this out and put it in another container. This is another amazing little feature that I like about this one. So the first one is the most minimal. It's 16.5 inches by 15.5 inches. Now these do come telescoping, so you can stretch them out anywhere from 13 inches all the way to 22 inches. Now you do want to make sure that you put this on the edges. If your counter is longer or shorter, then you want to make sure that you get the correct size. By the way, this is also a nice gadget here. This is a touch professional chef faucet, right? It's got one of those pull hoses here, and the way it works is it's actually operated on batteries. So underneath there is this plasticky module that essentially just connects your water pipes into, and then that is what activates the touch sensor. Like, it lets the valve turn on and off. Very, very cool and convenient thing. Very kind of interesting to get used to it, but after a while it's very easy, especially if you have 2 hands, you're trying to clean something. Anyway, let's put this on. All right, so you can stack plates on here. These are bowls, so these are pretty heavy. They're stone bowls. Holds quite a lot of, and it's a time saver. So if you're washing your dishes and you don't want to stick them in here, and then you just roll it up, turn this on, wash it, then you can just kind of stow away here. Now the second one is going to eliminate this clutter here. We have 2 different colors here. One is black, one is gray. So this is what the black will look like, right? So same deal, you roll this out, but the difference is here is that they gave you this little basket, so you can stick this in here, eliminating all this gunk. You can just slide this right in, and look how much cleaner that looks. That looks like a whole different sink, in my opinion. Very nice, very nice. And now let's try the gray one. The gray one looks best with silver sinks, but then again, it does not look that bad with gray. It really depends on what you are looking for, but I think these are by far better. This one, you're just gonna have a little more space, because now you're giving space away to this. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope this has been educational.